You will sometimes hear people talk about the trade balance of a country. The trade balance, or the balance of trade, refers to how much we're importing versus how much we're exporting. In particular, we can calculate net exports as the quantity or the value of all the goods exported minus the value of all the goods imported. And I'll remind you, exports is, or maybe I haven't told you yet, exports is generally denoted with an X, imports is generally denoted with an M. So we can calculate net exports as exports minus imports. But of course, it's possible that we're importing more than we're exporting. In that situation, we would say that net exports, of course, is going to be negative, and we call that a trade deficit. The total value of imports is greater than the total value of exports. And the opposite could also be true. If we're exporting more than we're importing, we have a trade surplus. Net exports will be positive. And of course, exports is greater than imports. We'll return to this to talk a little bit more about what it means, but in general, economists do not think that it is a problem to run trade deficits in the long term. It simply means that more capital is flowing into the country to offset the trade deficit.